to my channel. I'm Collector David, and today I'm going to be showing you one of my prize pieces, a Commodore Vanderbilt in close to mint condition, with mint condition freight cars as well, with knuckle couplers based in 1953. And also we have the 999 locomotive with a whole bunch of scale cars. If you're new to my channel, I collect trains of all different types, Dolphins, Marx, Lionel, from the pre-war generation to the post-war generation. I also do repair jobs and some informational video to help people out along the way, different things like that. So come along for the ride and I'll show you what we got. Alright, so today what I'm going to show you, this is Commodore Vanderbilt, made in 1947. It's got the original chrome heads on it, and it comes with knuckle coupler, freight cars, all in pretty much mint condition. And the story behind it is I got the train locally at a hobby store, and it's only like $35. They had a bunch of these mint condition freight cars that like never used knuckle couplers. And that was made around 1953. I got 12 of them for like $25. It's a pretty great deal, including the headlight on the tender. So that's the first train that's going to go around, and this is what it looks like with the knuckle coupler. So instead of a slab on top, it's got a knuckle coupler. And this back here is a 999 engine I got, and they got the scale cars with it as well, and that's going to be running today. This was made about 1947-48, most of it. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to me and press that button. And thank you for riding the rails today, and I'll see you next time. Can't talk. I can't talk. He can't say. If you're new to my channel, I collect a lot of... Okay, try again. I said I too many times. Thank you for watching the video for me.
Watching the video for me?
Thank you. Sorry. Thank you for watching.